Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the restriction, attempt playback, and note the error. Once done, pick a method, VPN for broad coverage, Smart DNS for speed, or a proxy extension for quick tests, because each changes how your IP appears. Make sure you have an account or a provider chosen and that you can install software or add an extension. You need admin rights or permission on the device, so pause here only to secure credentials and download the chosen client before moving to configuration. Now configure the tool, install the VPN client or apply the Smart DNS settings as instructed and grant any network permissions. Choose a server located in the country where the video is available. This ensures your public IP matches that region. Test your new IP using a geo-IP check to confirm. Once connected, restart your browser or clear cache and cookies to remove old geodata. Then sign into YouTube if required and reload the video to verify playback. To finish, make sure playback is smooth. If it is not, switch to a different server or change VPN protocol, for example, from UDP to TCP, to improve reliability. If problems persist, disable browser location services and clear site permissions, then try in an incognito window or a different browser to rule out cached blocks. As a final tip, test a different provider or contact support. Keep in mind that temporary proxies may be blocked, and check refund policies before buying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.